Westermans here with a AMI 415 and a AMI 52 weld head with oscillation, ABC. This machine has actually got a oscillating tungsten. Machine runs on the same ring as the M15 head and also has a lot of the same functions. Selection of rings in stock from 6" going upwards. This machine also has the vision system with cameras fitted, dual cameras. The machine is actually being run from the 415, dual voltage, 400 volts, 380 volts, and I believe 460 volts, 50-60 Hertz. This machine will be serviced to order and can be shipped worldwide. We have many orbital in stock from Polysude, AMI, Swage Lock, Magnetech, plus many others. Also a selection of heads from the smallest head 3mm all the way up to maximum head size of, I think at present, 3 meters 500. And obviously somewhat heads with cold wire feed and fusion with the closed heads on the AMI, Swage Lock, Axe Air, plus many others. We also do a range of welding positioners, rotators, column and booms, CNC plasma profile beds, gas machines, fume extraction, plus many more. More details of these can be found on westermans.com or emailing welding@westermans for more details. Thank you for looking.